salute you, my followers, clients, car owners, and drivers. This message is for the car owners, drivers, and also to AC mechanics outside there. The reason you are having issues with your automobile air conditioning system, most especially compressor, because that's where the main issue always come from, is because you are putting the wrong oil into the system. You are not putting the right quantity into that system. The same quantity you use in a car that has only one evaporator, you are using the same quantity in a car that have back evaporator and also have center fridge. They are causing issues with the compressor now because you are undergauging the oil. It's either you are undergauging it or you are overgauging it, and this has impact on the compressor. Compressor is a moving part. You need oil to lubricate it. Not that oil is not just there to lubricate it. It also serves as a cooling agent to that compressor. So if you are not putting the right quantity, you are causing issues to the compressor. Yes, it's going to cause wear and tear. Compressor has pistons, has shafts. Some may be 8 pistons, some may be 6, depending on the manufacturer. And each car has its recommended oil and quantity that's supposed to go into that system. And the funny part is that the sticker that is pasted there only stated the types of oil that's supposed to go into that system, but there is no quantity mentioned in that sticker. So how do you people know the quantity that goes into that car? Like in Time Auto Global Limited, we have the machine that we use to check the quantity of oil that's supposed to go into each car. All we need to do is just to select the year and model of that car. It will bring out the refrigerant that's supposed to be used in that car. To also bring out the type of oil that's supposed to be used in that car. Also the quantity that's supposed to go into that car, the AC system. Then when you know the quantity now, you need a tool also that you're supposed to use to measure that oil to be sure that this is the quantity that you're putting into that system. And we have those items. How about AC technician outside there? Do they have them? Also to the vehicle owner, most of us or drivers, sometimes people want to purchase your AC part yourself. Yes, fine. But know what you're purchasing, most especially when it comes to the oil. Are you getting the right oil, or just you go to the market and get the one that they will turn for you and say it's 500? Most time when you're AC technician too, and say that your AC oil is 10,000, 5,000, depending on the type. You say it's too expensive. You are doing your AC system more harm than good, because each car, the manufacturer recommended the type and quantity of oil that's supposed to go into your automobile conditioning system. So don't go and buy something for another car, for your own car. The density might not be the same. So you have to follow manufacturer recommendation. And also, if you have upset your AC system in terms of changing the compressor to another thing, you need to know the quantity of oil that particular compressor is supposed to be used, because it will not align again with the sticker in your car. This we should know. These are small things that we overlook, and it's causing issues. You don't know. You might end up blaming the AC technician that he does not know what to do and all those stuff. You have to also put your eye and see what your AC technician, your mechanic is doing in your car. Ask questions when it is necessary. It will help. Most of us do not even know anything about oil chart when it comes to AC system, automobile conditioning system. They say oil chart. Out of 100% of oil that's supposed to go into the air conditioning system, 50% goes to the compressor. And the rest 50% you distribute it to the condenser, to the evaporator, to the hoses, depending on the percentage that's supposed to go into there. And how do you allocate this quantity or this percentage? It's with your oil measuring tool. Some of the AC technician does not have the oil measuring tools. They just turn whatever they like, the quantity they like into the system. You are causing issues. Just stay tuned. In my next class, I'm going to show you the equipment we used to know the quantity of oil that's supposed to go into the system, the type of oil that's supposed to go into the system, and the recommended brand. And also, we'll show you the oil measuring tools that we have been using to measure it. So stay tuned. Ask questions when it is necessary. If you want to know the types of oil or quantity that your car use, just comment on the comment section. Leave the year and model of your car. I will let you know the quantity and type of oil that's supposed to go into that system. See you next time.